behalf of my grateful nation, I offer our deepest gratitude for the efforts undertaken to protect and defend our American airmen and for your persistent efforts to honor their sacrifices.
Je zavezništvo, sodelovanje in prijateljstvo